student income and revenue of the state, to uphold the national development programs and vision by the government on top of providing better opportunities for the improvement
Ano talaga ang
of
answer
quality
ng
of life.
Recon lang. Ay, oo, siya. Hindi ko dala.
It
Sa
is
office, oo.
elementary
Nasa
knowledge that one of the pillars of a good constitution is that it should adapt to the changing needs of the changing world. We now live in a very globally connected world. It is hardly compatible with the world in which our modern forefathers lived. But progress is not without risks. It is only when we are willing to work together to rise above the risks, cast aside personal ambitions, forge ahead, then can we see the dawning of a common dream to have a dynamic constitution that brings proper national progress, thus uplifting the lives of our country. The truckstores say amid global economic slowdown and financial crisis we are facing, we should not even discuss constitutional amendments. Instead, concentrate on economic policies. But now I say, more than ever, is the time when we should take up the challenge of economic reforms covered by Resolution 737. We are nationalists by heart and patriotic by heart. Does it make us less nationalistic when we aim for changes that will lead down to the betterment of the lives of our countrymen? Let us set aside partisan politics. Consider more the merits of the proposed amendments with an open mind. In closing, therefore, may I encourage you to participate actively in the deliberations. The committee has voted to approve the resolution so that it will be discussed by the members of this House, not only the members of the committee. We aim for a more comprehensive and diversified discussion here in the plenary so that we may arrive at the decision. As you ponder and consider the merits of the proposed amendments, let me leave you with a worthy quote from a very prominent man at this hour, President Barack Obama, who said,
Come on.
change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we are waiting for we are the change that we see. My dear colleagues, now is the time for change.
Your Speaker, we move to close the period of sponsorship and we move to open the period of interpellation and debate.
Mr. Speaker,
Yes,
there are three more speakers after me who are co-sponsoring this measure, and we have Deputy Speaker Garcia, we have Congressman Romualdo, and Congressman Dumoga. And we would like to appeal to our colleagues to please wait a while. Let the four co-sponsors finish their piece so that we can go into an interpellation in a more orderly and a more comprehensive way. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker,
is it
parliamentary inquiry, Mr. Speaker.
what is the parliamentary body of the Honorable Casino?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Just in the interest of orderly proceedings, we have now transformed ourselves into basically a constituent assembly exercising our constitutional powers.
May I know what rules apply? Because our rules, our house rules, are designed for our legislative powers. May we know what rules apply at this juncture?
Majority Leader response.
Mr. Speaker, I think the rules of the House will also apply because we are following the legislative process. Although we are exercising our constitutional power, it will be the rules of the House that will apply.
Mr. Speaker, for example, will we be allowed, considering that in the committee level, the committee failed to get the positions of the NEDA, the DTI, the DENR, our farmers groups, our fisher folk, those who will be affected by these amendments, indigenous peoples. Can we allow these representatives, the representatives of these sectors, to make their positions known to the plenary, considering that if we look at the minutes of the committee meetings, their positions were never reflected. And I think that if we are to exercise our powers as a constituent assembly, it should be an informed exercise. And just like what we do sometimes, transforming plenary into a committee of the whole, may this be allowed, this process of